Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello, pizza lovers. In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Hawaiian pizza from scratch. We'll begin by preparing the dough, which is the foundation of any great pizza. First, activate 1 packet of yeast in about 2/3 of a cup of warm water. Then, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Knead this mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's smooth, then let it rise for at least 1 hour. This ensures a light and airy crust. Now that our dough is ready, let's move on to the exciting part, adding the classic Hawaiian toppings. First, spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, generously sprinkle about 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then, distribute 6 ounces of diced ham or Canadian bacon evenly. Finally, add 1 cup of well-drained pineapple chunks. Remember to pat the pineapple dry to avoid excess moisture. With our pizza fully assembled, it's time to bake it to perfection. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 475 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat helps create a crispy crust. Carefully transfer your pizza onto a preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You're looking for a golden brown crust and bubbly, slightly brown cheese. This ensures a perfectly cooked and delicious pizza. Your homemade Hawaiian pizza is almost ready to enjoy. Once it's out of the oven, carefully remove it and let it rest on a cooling rack for about 5 minutes. This crucial step allows the cheese to set, preventing all the toppings from sliding off when you slice it. If you like, you can garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Then, slice your pizza into 8 equal pieces and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious, sweet, and savory creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.